audio station presets and tuning with the remote touchpad. The audio system has a number of useful features that will enhance your listening experience. Audio controls are mounted on both the left and right side of the steering wheel and on the center console. If the radio is off, press the power volume knob to turn it on and turn the knob to adjust volume. To view audio in full screen, press the radio button. On the radio screen, you can use the remote touchpad to make on-screen choices, such as change the audio source, select presets up to 36 stations, access radio replay, up to 60 minutes of replay for satellite radio, and 20 minutes for AM/FM. Search station list of receivable stations by genre. Select options, or adjust sound settings. To make the adjustment, select the feature to open it. Then, make your changes. Once you've made your adjustment, then click on it to close and save your changes. Now select Presets. To tune the station, use the Tune knob on the center console. To seek a new station or change tracks, use Seek Track. You can store the station by selecting a preset with Add New. Press on the button and select Yes. Then OK to save the new station. To change a preset station to a new one, tune to the new station. Select and hold the preset button you'd like to reprogram until you hear a beep, and the new station appears on the preset button. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos, or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab. Then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your Technology Quick Guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.